In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your Roblox account permanently just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Roblox account like this. Go to your Roblox homepage or to roblox.com and click over here, okay? And delete this home, okay? And over here, write support, okay? Like this. Go to roblox.com support, and here you go, you will be directly in this page. So just put your contact information like your username here, your first name and your email address. Scroll down, you have here issue details, okay? Click over here on select, and this is, it doesn't matter, okay? You can select, so I will just leave it in PC like this, and scroll down, you have type of help category, okay? Click on select and scroll down, and you should see over here delete my account, okay? Click on delete my account, select this one, delete my account, then click over here on click over here on this second one, please select and just leave it in delete my account like this, okay? And you have here description of issue, okay? So over here just write this, so please delete my Roblox, okay, account with data, okay? And click over here on continue, and that's it. And you just need to wait for like maybe 1-2 days, and you will get an email from Roblox, so you can confirm your that you want really to delete your Roblox account permanently, okay? You will get confirmation from your email, okay? And that's it. That's how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.